Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to label Gmail emails using n8n. If you're looking to automate email organization, this is a super handy workflow that can save you a lot of time. In n8n, labeling Gmail emails is done using the Gmail node. You'll first need to authenticate your Gmail account inside n8n, which is done using OAuth, so your credentials stay secure. Once your Gmail node is connected, you can choose the operation you want, which in this case is Modify Labels. You can apply one label easily by selecting it in the node settings, and it works flawlessly. If you try to apply multiple labels at once, it might not behave as expected unless you handle them as separate actions or use a small function node to iterate over the labels. Here's the basic idea of the setup. You create a Gmail node, choose the operation Modify Labels, and select the label you want to apply. Then connect this node to a trigger node like cron or webhook, depending on whether you want to label emails on a schedule or based on incoming messages. You can also add filters to the node so only emails matching certain criteria, like a specific sender or subject line, get labeled. Make sure your n8n version is up to date, for example version 1.76.1, and check your executions process setting. In Docker, running it with default settings works fine, but always verify that your Gmail node has the right permissions to modify labels. Once everything is connected, activate your workflow and n8n will automatically apply the labels to your Gmail emails according to your rules. This makes it super easy to keep your inbox organized without manually sorting messages. So that's how you can use n8n to label Gmail emails. Automating this saves time, keeps your inbox clean, and makes Gmail even more powerful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more guides on automating tasks with n8n.